Hi and welcome to Tips from the Hips, the best woodworking tips and hips on the internet, in my opinion.
Hi, this tip isn't just for woodworkers, it's for anyone who suffers with a bad back after prolonged work at a desk or workbench, seated or standing. In the vast majority of cases it's because the work surface is too low and you're having to bend forward a little bit. This stresses both your lower back and the joint between your back and your hip bone, which can lead to pain in both the back and the legs. Experiment with working at different heights by raising your bench, say an inch at a time for a few days at a time, and you'll soon discover the working height that's best for you. Then prepare yourself some permanent blocks to go under your workbench. The design of blocks I show here fit snugly onto the existing feet of the workbench, and they won't come off if you push the workbench around the room. It won't even come off if you lift it up. As you can see, my bench is now the ideal height for planing the various thicknesses I want to plane on top of it, and if I need things a little bit higher I can add my Japanese planing board, which will raise things to an ideal level for planing very thin stock, and also with the vise on the front for holding stock in there when I'm doing delicate dovetailing. Get back to doing more of what you enjoy while suffering less with your back. For a chance to win this nightstand that I'm going to be building, check out my Just Giving page. For woodworking tips from the hips and much more, subscribe now, and if you share this video I'll send you some positive woodworking vibes.